What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your MINI RF3 4-pack with a wireless DMX controller. So as you can see, I have 4 of my lights here that I'm going to set up to my wireless DMX controller, but if you wanted to use more of your lights from the package, you're just going to follow these same exact steps. So we're going to start by turning on each of our lights here by holding down the power button. Then we're going to set our lights to the wireless DMX or slave mode by double pressing the power button until the group light on top flashes quickly. You're also going to want to make sure that your lights are set to the same RF group by pressing the power button to set it to the color of red, green, yellow, or blue. For today, we're going to set them to red. So next we're going to turn on our wireless DMX controller. Then we're also going to want to make sure to set the wireless DMX controller to the same RF group. So in this case, we're going to set it to red. Lastly, we're going to activate scanner 1 on our wireless DMX controller. So now let's go through each fader and see what they do. Fader 1 is the master dimmer, so we can control how bright the lights are. So for today, I'm going to raise it all the way up. Fader 2 controls the red LEDs, so the more I raise fader 2, the more red you see. Fader 3 controls the green LEDs. Then we have fader 4 to control the blue LEDs. Fader 5 controls the white LEDs. Fader 6 controls the amber LEDs. And fader 7 controls the ultraviolet LEDs. So we can use just one of these faders for a solid color, or we can mix and match these faders for a customized color. So for example, I can set fader 2 up a little bit, then I can bring in some of fader 4, and then we can go heavy on fader 7, and now you'll see we have our customized color. Next we have fader 8 to control the strobe for the light, so if I raise it just a little bit, you'll see that it flashes slow, and then the higher I raise fader 8, the faster the strobe. Next, we can use fader 9 to set our lights to the different preset modes. So where we set fader 9 determines what mode the lights will be set to. And we can also use the screen here on our DMX controller to know which value our fader is set to. So for example, if I set fader 9 anywhere from 120 to 159, the lights will go into the color fade mode. And then right next to it, we have fader 10 to control the speed of the mode. So the more I raise it, the faster the color fade. You can always refer to the DMX guide to show you which fader does what and which values for fader 9 activate which modes. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your MINI RF3 4-pack with your wireless DMX controller. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.